Hello friends, we have been discussing about order of magnitude, and we stated that order of magnitude should be, it should be something like this. Now what is this A? This A was so if A satisfies this condition, then B is order of magnitude of this quantity N. Right now here this was 0.3162 less than or equal to A less than 3.162. That is what we have from this expression. But then to make things simple, people take 0.5 less than or equal to A less than 5. So this is what is generally done. So you can stick to either this or this, it wouldn't really matter. Let us try and find out volume of a cuboid. I'm going to have this cuboid as this. It has got some length and breadth and height. My length is, let us say, 1.2 meter from here to here. My breadth is 0.75 meter again, and the height is 0.5 meter. Now I want to find the volume of this cuboid in cubic meter, and then I'll convert it in centimeter cube. So my volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and that would be equal to 1.2 into 0.75 into 0.5. Correct. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just use these fractions. 0.75 I'm going to write as 3 upon 4 and 0.5 as 1 upon 2 here. So it comes out to be, it is 9 upon 2 upon 10. So 9 upon 2 is 4.5, and 4.5 divided by 10, that would be equal to 0.45 meter cube. So this is the volume in cubic meter. Suppose I want to convert this volume in cubic meter into centimeter cube. So what do? Now my 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Correct. So this 1 meter cube would be 100 centimeter cube, and that is going to be equal to 10 raised to power, now 100 is 10 raised to power 2, so 10 raised to power 2 cube, that would be 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube, right? So now here I am going to have 0.45 into 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. Now here 0.45 I can write as 4.5 upon 10, so this is going to be 4.5 into 10 raised to power 5 centimeter cube. This is my volume in centimeter cube. Now let us apply this order of magnitude concept to this. My 4.5, it lies between 0.3162 to 3.162. So what I'm going to do is I can keep it as it is. If I stick to 0.5 to 5, but then this 4.5, it is greater than 0.3162. So I'm going to have my my criterion here, 0.3162 less than or equal to A less than 3.162, and 0.5 less than or equal to A less than 5. So now if I stick to this, then I have to convert that 4.5 into 0.45. So it would be 0.45 into 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. But then if I stick to this 0.5 less than a less than 5, so again 4.5 it was, right? So 4.5 lies between these two. So my a is satisfying this. So which one to follow? That would be the question. But then over there what I'll do is, if I have to stick to this, then I'll state this is my criterion, and if I have to stick to this, then I will have to state that. So whichever criterion that you are using, either this or this, that you will specify and write the answer. So that was about finding volume of a cuboid. Let us do one more numerical example for order of magnitude now. Let us I'm going to write radius of Earth R, that is 6378 kilometers, right? So now I want to express this in meters, so I'm going to write R is equal to 6378 multiplied by 1000 meters. Now I'm going to write this as 6.378 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. Now here I am going to follow 0.5 less than or equal to a less than 5. This 6.378, it lies outside this domain, right? Outside the boundaries. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write this as 0.6378 into 10 raised to power 7 meter. Now it lies within these two limits, correct? So order of magnitude of radius of Earth is equal to, now I'll state this, 10 raised to power 7 meter. So that is how we address these problems associated with order of magnitude and conversion of various physical quantities, units of various physical quantities. In the next video, we are going to start with scalars and vectors. Thank you so much.